can keep a secret, kid. You got my mind on your body.
Guys, I have a good news for you guys. John Mancini said they were literally gonna go confirm it, of course. They are literally filming, of course. Day one filming, of course. I'm gonna show you from like the end, of course. When it was just literally like today, of course, they filmed it, of course. Day one, of course, like a daily routine, but a filming, of course. Like that's literally super cool, of course. And I never felt they just did that, of course. Like today, of course. And when it just literally started, of course, like when I'm literally scrolling to the notification with Chucky Source did it, of course. I just literally saw they're gonna go like do it like for real, of course. Like when he just literally said that, of course, I was just super shocked, of course. And it was just literally like he said awesome, of course. His band friends, of course. Just literally said that, of course. And I was just super shocked, of course. They're gonna go film it, of course. Everything will be just super fun, of course. And then I will literally like scream, of course. Like, come on right now, guys. It's just really real, of course. Like, I never felt that before. Like today, guys. Like today. It just really like filmed it, of course. And it was just super perfect, of course. And Bedrock will return, of course, for season 2 as Chucky, of course, will return, of course, for the voicing, of course. It was literally like super best and awesome, of course. Like, come on right now, guys, it's just really super true, of course. And this is only it, guys. Subscribe and like and share, of course. So you won't miss another update, of course, from me. So bye right now, guys. Bye. Bye, guys. Ashwati Place is out. So this is it.